Hi, welcome to Mike's Hiking Journal. Well, as you can see, I'm not Mike. I'm Joe, and I'm normally on the other side of the camera. But today we're hiking Bald Mountain, near beautiful and calm Long Pond. And today I'm going to show you some of Vermont's greatest foliage at its peak. So come along with us as we hike Bald Mountain and see what's around the next corner. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to stretch and tighten your shoes so they don't rub against your feet and give you blisters. And it's also good to stretch your calves and your shins so they don't give you pulled muscles or shin splints. Now that we're ready, let's follow the dogs and see where they'll take us. My favorite color is green, but I can't help but have all the reds and yellows inspire me. The trees had to work hard this year since there's no rain. That's why the colors are so bright. Well, that's all from Bald Mountain. Not much left to do but say goodbye. It's been a Stick in the Woods production. Until next time, God bless.